Welcome back to this module 8, beginner monetization. This is optional, but it's powerful if you add it to what you already know. So the goal here is to show the money part clearly, honestly, without hype. So let me be honest with you. Content is nice, yeah, but income is better. Okay, in this module I will show you how beginners turn simple content into real money without being silly, pushy, or awkward. No funnel from hell, no DM spamming, just a clean path from content, value, and income. What did I just say? Just path from content, value, and income. Now let's go into lesson 1, content that leads to sell without selling ad. Okay. Most beginners think monetization means posting, buy my stuff, buy my product every day. No, that doesn't work in this generation. Okay. What does work is, or what work is? Content that solves a small problem. Then point to a next step. Content that solves a small problem. Then point to a next step. Your content does the warming up. Right? Your offer does the conversion. So that is simple, the rule here. Now, let me say this thing clearly. If your content help people move forward, monetization become natural. All right. Okay. Content to sell prompt. Now we're going to use this prompt to do what? To from ChatGPT. So if you come to ChatGPT now, let's say, okay, let me just go to ChatGPT. Okay, right. So we are here on ChatGPT and we paste this prompt. Act as a content strategist. My audience is beginners trying to build a digital business. Create 5 educational social media posts that teach something useful, and with soft call to action. Do not sound silly. Each post should naturally lead to a digital product or service. And we click on this button, play button. So let's wait for ChatGPT to come. All right, so ChatGPT has come out with post 1. Start before you feel ready. And then look at what ChatGPT has given us. Post 2, content that builds income. Content alone doesn't generate income. Strategy, content does. Focus on this structure, teach, help, solve. Offer next step. For example, teach a useful skill, share a tool or a method, show a simple application, direct people to deeper help. Guys, simple and template, all that. Now, soft call to action, you can say, if you are building digital income stream, having structured learning tools can help speed things up massively. Let's go to post 3, your first digital product idea. All right. Post 4, automation sales beginner. Wow. So these are the posts. ChatGPT has come to say that if you want, it can generate 13 similar posts ready to publish. Platform specific version: LinkedIn, IG, TikTok, X. Post tailored to your digital income niche. Full beginner nurture content series. Just mention a word and ChatGPT will give you whatever. So this is just that. All right. Now, as you can see, the results we've seen. You see notice, no begging, there's no pressure, just a guidance plus direction. So that's how content sells without selling. Now, student action. What I need you to do now is to pick one post idea, post it today, end with a soft CTA. Like, if you want the full system, check the link below. Yeah. Now we move over to lesson 2, using ChatGPT to create a lead magnet. Have you thought of that? How does that sound? So a lead magnet is just something small that helps people quickly. Like, for example, beginner can create a checklist, a short PDF, a prompt list, a mini guide. You don't need perfection, you need usefulness. That is what you know. Now, how do we create a lead magnet? A lead magnet. We can prompt ChatGPT to generate that for us. All right. So if we click on this link and we paste this here and say, ChatGPT, create a simple lead magnet for beginners in my niche. Okay, let me say in my niche here. ChatGPT will always understand, already know my niche. Format it as a clear title, 5 to 7 bullet points, a short description expressing who it's for, and keep it beginner friendly and practical. Alright, and ChatGPT will create what edit magnet for beginners in my niche. Alright, let's wait for ChatGPT. You can just create an image out of this. You can create a video script out of this. Alright, so okay, yeah, this is what ChatGPT has done us. So you can just ask ChatGPT to create image out of this. Create an image by ChatGPT. Let's see. But ChatGPT will be smart enough to give us what we want. Alright, ChatGPT is now building something. Something is cooking. Let's see. Something is cooking. Something is cooking. Wow. Quick start guide. You see what ChatGPT has given us. What do you think? Look at that. Look at that. Look at this. What do you think? You can make changes if you want on this. Yeah. So let's go back and then now. So like what we've created, it can be turned into PDF or shared via Google Doc or given away in by your comment DM. So your content attracts attention. Your lead captures it. Alright. Now, what I have for you, generate one lead magnet idea, save it, use it in the next lesson. Okay. Now, promoting digital products and services. How do you do that? Now, this is the truth. People don't hate selling, they hate being sold to. Alright. Now, we promote like this. Teach publicly, invite privately. Beginner promotion style. How do you do that? You have to start with study base. Here is what I struggle with, blah, 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 blah. Result base. Here is what worked for me. Behind the scene, here what I'm building. Alright, so these are things that captures people. And then we can use this ChatGPT promo post prompt, and then let's see what ChatGPT can give us in case you want to promote any of our products. Write a social media post promoting a digital product to calm, honest, beginner friendly structure, short story or insight. What changed? Soft invitation to check the link. No hype, no pressure. Just alright. So ChatGPT is doing what? Helping us to draft something. Alright. Now, a while ago I noticed many beginners trying to build online income. We are stuck in the same place, overwhelmed by information, unsure what actually works and afraid to start wrong. What helped wasn't chasing more hype, it was having a simple practical guide that bring things down step by step. Clarity replaces confusion and progress finally start to feel manageable. So if you are currently figuring things out and want something straightforward to support your journey, you can quickly or quietly explore the resources in the link. No rush, just take what helps. Wow, this makes sense. And then I like this. Okay. So if you check the prompt, you see that this thing, it feels human, it's build trust, invite curiosity. That's modern selling. Okay. Now write one promo post it this week. Don't overthink it, and then see what you've got. All right. Now let's go to the next lesson, which is turning content into income. How do you do that? Turning content into income. It's possible. That's what people do, and that is how they make money. All right. Now here is money part for beginners. Content is educational post, lead magnet, free value, digital product or services, repeat consistently, that's it. So no complaints for now, no ad required. So how do you turn content into income? Now we can use this a bonus prompt monetization map create a simple monetization plan for beginner. Include content idea, lead magnet, one digital product or service, weekly post, and keep it realistic and beginner friendly. So if we go over to ChatGPT here and then we paste this, there's a prompt that ChatGPT can help us draft. So whatever you need, what you just need is good prompting, and ChatGPT will give you good direct and give you the answer straight to the point. And you can see ChatGPT has given us content idea, building trust, focus on helpful beginner education, avoiding trying to sell early. You can see the lead magnet, beginner quick, start quick, your first digital with AI. So let's go to the material. You can see one beginner digital product or services start with 105. Good beginner option, mini book, like 7 to 17 pounds, standard course, workshop, coaching, template, digital toolkit, practical. Your product is learning to, not your final masterpiece. Now quickly posting plan. Wow. So ChatGPT has given us what we wanted. All right. So what I need you to do is to generate your own personal monetization map. Pick one item idea and start with content, no perfection. You don't need millions of followers to make money. You need clarity, consistency, and content that leads somewhere. All right. So this is how content becomes income. Now you've come to the end of this module. In the next module, I will give you tips and then the things that you will need that will help you, in this. So in the next module, we are going to dish out some bonuses we have, like beginner prompt library PDF. Beginner prompt library, it will be in PDF just for you, just for bonus. What should I post today? Prompt generator. And then 20 done for you video content idea that you can choose from. 7-day content challenge engagement poster. You can also use these items to boost how you come live online or how you harness your content, and that will be so amazing. So thanks for being part of us. Thanks for being part of this program. I believe that by now you are equipped with how to use or how to instruct ChatGPT to give you the best result. Thank you and thanks for watching. Bye for now.